Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Let me ask you a question. Why buy it when you can make it at home? It can be anything like spice blends, condiments, pickles, and so on. Cocktail onions is one that I make from scratch. It's an incredibly easy recipe and you can make as much as you need, which means there's more space in your fridge, plus it's freshly made. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the brine. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add white vinegar and the same amount of water. Then granulated sugar, all mixed peppercorns, not just the black ones, followed by sea salt and a little bit of red pepper flakes. We'll stir until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. When the mixture starts simmering, we'll set the timer for 3 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and let it cool off while we look after the pearl onions. Here's one of them, and to peel these little guys the easiest way, I have a great tip on it, so click on the top right corner of your screen. Now, in that video, I processed for 3 minutes. Because these will be pickled, not cooked, read the blog for more info. Alright, so our brine should be pretty cool by now, and we'll pour it over the prepared onions. What I like to do is to scoop up as much seasoning as possible and put them in the jar. Why leave them behind, right? Next, we'll close the lid and transfer them to the fridge for at least 10 days before serving. And my friends, these are our cocktail onions. This recipe is super quick and easy, plus you make what you need. Besides being a classic garnish for the Gibson cocktail and other drinks like micheladas or Bloody Caesars, these little guys are also great to pair along with cornichons when having pâté on bread or crackers and spread with mustard. Yum! I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!